Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an essential topic for anyone working with data analysis and visualization. How to create error bands like this or uncertainty band, okay, in Origin Pro software. So whether you are a student, researcher or professional, accurately representing data and uncertainty in is crucial for effective communication of your results. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of adding error bands to your graphs in Origin Pro. So let's start. So we have period at x-axis, then at y-axis we have spectral acceleration, and according to that is spectral acceleration we have error in the y direction. That's why it is in the y column. Okay, so we are going to show the error in the y direction, right? So what we have to do first, we have to do is what this y-axis error we have to convert into the error column. Okay, so double click it. When you double click it, you will go here the plot designation and convert y to the y error. What will happen after that? It will consider it as a plus minus sign, means error at the both side, plus direction also and minus direction also, positive also negative error. Okay, so now you have three columns: the period, x-axis, y-axis spectral and error in the plus and minus, positive and negative side of the y. Okay, so what we will do is we will select these three and then go to the plot section and the line. So like that you will find first it will generate the in terms of error bar, not the area band. Okay, so first it will show you in terms of error bar, then you have to convert this error bar into the band. How, what are you able to do? Just double click here in the line and then go to this part, that is spectral acceleration error. So in that error what you will do is that connect with the straight line. So when you connect it with the straight line and you will apply there, you will get this type of the band. Okay, so let's what you have to do is let smooth this line. Okay, so how to smooth is that in the first column, in place of the straight, go to the B spline just to show it like in the good way. That's why, and increase the thick width of the line 1.5 and apply. So you can see this line is middle line is has been smoothened. Now the smooth the error term also. Okay, so connect it with the B spline or spline, whichever smooth your color. Okay, and change the thickness. Then all the lines has been smoothened, right? Now we have to fill this area. Okay, so how to fill is go to this spectral acceleration versus error bar side and fill the area under. So when you fill it and apply, you will find that this area has been filled up. Okay, so go to this pattern part and what you will do is change the color, fill color, change the fill color. Let us consider we will do it as a little bit red. Apply it. So you can see this has been changed to the red. What we have to do is we have to increase the transparency. Okay, just increase some transparency to the till 50%, whatever you can take anything. So you can see now color has been changed, right? So all these three colors has been shown it here. Go to the spectral acceleration and this first line is black, so just increase the thickness. Okay, now change, you can change the color of this spectral acceleration, this line error bar here, you can convert it to the red only. Yeah, so your error band is ready, right? Let us change this to the scale 0 to 1.5. Okay, here it will be 0.5. Apply the grid at the opposite side, it will look nice, right? Go to this period part, scale it 0 to 2.5. Apply the grid line opposite in the opposite direction. So using that you will able to develop this error band. Okay, so this middle line was the standard expected recession line and this outer and inner line is the positive and negative error band. Okay, so this is how you can develop the error band in the Origin Pro. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.